In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Payhip. We'll walk through the full process together, from logging in to uploading your ebook to publishing it so people can actually buy it. Make sure you're already signed up with Payhip and have your ebook file and cover image saved on your computer before you start. First, log into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen and find the menu option labeled Products. Click on that. This will take you to your product list, which might be empty if you're just getting started. On the top right corner of this page, click on Add New Product. A menu will appear showing different types of products you can create. Since we're selling an ebook, choose Digital Product. You're now inside the Digital Product Editor, which is where you'll set everything up for your ebook. The first thing you want to do is upload your actual ebook file. Click on Upload Product File. A pop-up window from your computer will appear. Navigate to the folder where your ebook file is stored. Select it, and then click Open at the bottom right. Payhip will upload that file and attach it to this product. Next, give your ebook a clear and descriptive product title. This is what your customers will see, so make it specific and appealing. Right below that, set a price for your ebook. You can always come back and adjust this later, but for now, decide on a price that reflects the value of your content. You can also upload a product image, which is usually your ebook cover. Click on Upload a Product Image. Again, a pop-up window will appear. Find your cover image on your computer, select it, and click Open. A strong, professional-looking cover can really help your ebook stand out. Now, enter a detailed product description. Payhip supports rich text here, which means you can change the text size, make words bold, italic, or underlined, and structure your description so it's easy to read. Use this section to explain what your ebook is about, who it's for, and what benefits readers will get. Next, choose your product visibility. If you set it to visible, everyone can see this product in your store. Invisible means only you can see it, which is useful if you're still working on the details. Unlisted means the product won't appear alongside other products in your store, but anyone with the direct link can access it, which is great for special offers or private launches. Now click on the Advanced Options link. This will expand and show more settings. Here, make sure to check the box that says Product is an ebook. This helps Payhip treat your digital product correctly and can enable ebook-specific features. When you're happy with everything, scroll down and click Add Product at the bottom. The page will reload, and you should see a confirmation message that says Product Added. You'll also see a button that says Show Me My Product page. Click that to open your new product page in a new tab and preview exactly how your ebook listing looks to your customers. And that's it. You've successfully set up your ebook on Payhip and it's ready to sell.